Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have an update for you regarding the appeal of the $10 million judgment in the Idaho4 civil defamation case filed by University of Idaho professor Rebecca Scofield against an online content creator / psychic Ashley Guillard. The two-count complaint alleged plaintiff professor at the University of Idaho's Moscow campus had been defamed by the defendant's publishing of content stating that she had responsibility for the crimes at 1122 King Road that occurred on November 13th, 2022, concerning the tragic unalivings of 4 University of Idaho students at a rental home located steps away from the University of Idaho's Moscow campus. The end of February 2026, a federal jury in Boise returned that $10 million verdict against Guillard. Thereafter, she appealed to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeal, contending reversible error is present. The appellate court put out a scheduling order that began with a directive to the appellant / defendant, Guillard, that she was to order and ensure transcripts from the trial were uploaded to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeal as part of the appellate process. Guillard did order the transcripts, and in looking at the district court docket, the transcripts from trial, including the process of jury selection, were uploaded to the district court's record each day of the proceedings at trial, beginning with the transcript of voir dire proceedings. These records are to be uploaded to the appellate court in anticipation of the filing of the appellant's initial brief on the merits. That's due the end of June 2026 to be filed in the appellate court, where it will be the appellant's obligation to show reversible error to obtain the remedy that she is seeking, which is to have that appellate court throw out that $10 million judgment. Thereafter, the appellee, this is the plaintiff in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeal proceedings, will have an opportunity to be heard in a response where it is anticipated that she will oppose the setting aside of the judgment. And then finally, a closing of the briefings will come if the appellant does go ahead and file a reply, which the appellate court stated she has a right to file 21 days after the response is filed. At that point, it will be up to the appellate court to have the final say as to whether any relief will be granted to appellant Ashley Guillard. Please stay tuned for further developments in this case. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.